Welcome to our quick tutorial on fixing a flickering light IC and burnt layers issue on an iPhone 11 without replacing the motherboard. Let's dive in. Start by carefully removing the shielding cover to expose the damaged parts. Use a hot air gun to safely remove the resistors. Next, examine the damaged areas and apply paste flux to the space for new components. Solder new inductors in place of the burnt ones, ensuring secure connections. Finally, verify the repair by checking diode values to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other video tutorials.